Auto setting dish, folding out, getting ready to set the signal. Lowering down into place, aiming south. Now it's going to start acquiring its signal. Roof flap sealant. Just used same sealant used to put the whole motorhome together, as you can see. Same roof sealant. Lines ran into roof, resealed back down, just like new. Dish is finally in setting process. It's going to start swiping until it finds its satellite signal. All receivers, sound bar hidden behind the cabinets. Cables ran in. DVD player, HDMI switcher for DVD and satellite, Winegard unit mounted on top of unit, in slide out. It's peaking signal now. As you can see, there's your download screen. It's downloading the software from Dish off the unit up top. And we should have a similar screen in the back on your independent receiver in the master bedroom. Fairly similar picture for independent receiver in bedroom. Downloading software also. Now you can see none of the receivers no more. They're all hidden in behind the cabinet, as you can tell. Receivers are gone. Everything is hidden.